Hey you guys, how you doing? Today I'm sharing how I style my short afro hair. To style my hair, I'm going to be using my moisturizer. I'm also using my hard bristle brush and a couple of hairpins, my afro comb, as well as my edge gel and edge brush slash toothbrush. I'm starting off my style on hair that is slightly stretched. I use 2-strand twist to stretch my hair to give it a little bit of length in order to style it. I love starting off with a little bit of moisturizer. This allows me to make my hair a little bit softer, which makes it easier for me to use a brush. I use my brush quite gently to brush the sides of my hair in an upward motion, and this is really to sort of lay or flatten my hair before I go in with a couple of hairpins. I repeat the exact same method on the other side. Moisturize, brush, and use my hairpins. I'm using my afro comb just to pick at my roots to give my afro a little bit of volume. It's such a quick, easy style, you guys. You can achieve this in under 5 minutes. Not forgetting just a little bit of gel to style my edges. And that's it, a quick afro style for my short hair. I hope you enjoyed it.